Okay, there you go, folk. 25 kilo backpack and then going up mountains. No sleeping, just enjoying the nature's elements. Ni hao. Hello.
Hello.
Ni hao. Keep saying hello. Hello, hello. Ni hao. Hello, ni hao. Say hello, smile, smile. Lovely. Smile, hi, smile. Smile, lovely. Lovely, lovely. Lovely, lovely. Yes. That's what you call the beauty of life. Beauty of life is to keep going, keep your focus, and say hello to the people as you climb up. And you don't feel any tiredness. It's all the excitement. Yes, always the excitement. And that's what you call the spirit of nature, the spirit of people amongst the nature who respect it greatly, because that's what we've got here, including the bamboo grove just along here. That's really interesting. Hello, sir. Okay. Yes. Good evening. Hello. Ni hao. Hello. Hi. How are you? All my friends from the old times. No, they saw me in some other places as I make this progress up to the waterfall. Is that far to go? Don't worry about the distance. Just keep going until you get to the corner, or at least you get to the waterfall. You'll be awed by the forces of nature, and forces of nature is what we have to really respect, because that either save your life or perish your life, and we shouldn't allow any of it to just disappear from our hands, from our hearts, and from our souls. And hello, sir. And yeah, we should never allow for it to ever fall below our touch of reality, the real life that exists on earth always.